Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about customer lifetime value. What is it and why is it important? So, customer lifetime value is the value created between a customer and a brand over the lifetime of the relationship. What do I mean by that? So let's say you sell t-shirts and you sell them for $25 each. You are called t-shirts.com. So what if a customer comes in and purchases t-shirts, buy the first t-shirt for $25, another one, they come in, and let's call this time, they come in and buy another t-shirt for $25, and they buy one more t-shirt for $25, and then they never come back. So this is the beginning of their journey, this is the end of their journey. This is what we call day 0, and let's say this is 18 months. Total CLV is $75. Now why is this important? It's important because if you knew that a customer will spend this amount of money, you might be okay with the fact that over time this customer is going to come back. So maybe I give them a big discount on the first purchase to entice them to come in. So maybe I'll do like a $15 discount because I know that they're going to like my product, and then I'm going to still make a total of $60 from them. But maybe I can get a few more of these folks in the door. Now, people spend a lot of money on customer acquisition, and I know because I used to work at PayPal and Facebook where I got to see these analytics. I got to see a few really interesting facts. Number one is about 30 to 50% of any company's customer base is lifetime unprofitable. And I'm talking about mostly retail and e-commerce companies. Number two, most marketers spend lots of money and sometimes millions of dollars to acquire customers and wait 3 months to 1 year to find out which customers are actually profitable. And because of these two reasons, it's really important to know your customer lifetime value of not only your average customer base, but individual customers as well.